Hello everyone! This is me again, Janelle's Vlog. So welcome back again dito sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung kailan natin matatanggap yung ating earnings or kumbaga yung ating salary sa ating YouTube sa ating AdSense payment for YouTube earnings. Okay guys. So, but before that, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, please mag-subscribe na kayo at huwag kalimutan i-click ang bell button para maging updated kayo sa mga pinopost ko ng mga video everyday. Okay, so let's start guys! So, ayun nga, ang video na ito ay ginawa ko para masagot na yung mga tanong ng mga netizens kung kailan ba daw natin matatanggap yung ating mga earnings or ating salary dito kay YouTube. So, by the way guys, ang magsisend po ng inyong mga earnings kay YouTube is si Google AdSense po. So, para matanggap nyo po ang inyong mga earnings kay YouTube is kailangan mag-sign in muna kayo kay Google AdSense. So, napakadali lang po talaga niyang mag-sign in sa Google AdSense guys. And then, ilalagay ko lang yung link ng video na ginawa ko tutorial about how to sign in kay Google AdSense. Okay guys. So ngayon nga yung payment kasi ng YouTube sa earnings mo is every month po yan. So every 21st day until 26th day of the month. Okay guys. So, expected mo po talaga na yung earnings mo is matatransfer sa'yo 21 to 26 of the month. Okay? So, pag naabot mo na yung threshold ng earnings dito kay YouTube is automatic po yan na monthly matatanggap mo po. At saka, kailangan po talaga is para makasweldo ka kay YouTube is kailangan kung gusto mong every month ka po makakasweldo dito kay YT is kailangan every month is makuha mo yung threshold amount nila for withdrawal. Ito po ay $100. Okay? So, pag $100 po is hindi po yan yung matatanggap nyo. Minus taxes pa po yan. Okay guys, same po sa akin is yung earnings ko kasi is minus taxes po. Pag dumating sa inyo is kinuna na minus taxes na po yan. So yung matatanggap nyo talaga is yun na yung kumbaga yun na yung full amount na para sa inyo kasi minus taxes na po siyang dumating sa inyo. Okay guys? So dito ipapakita ko sa inyo yung email sa akin ni AdSense kasi nga is na sumasahod na po kasi si Janelle's Vlog. Okay? Nung 21st kasi, di ba November ngayon, nung November 21 is hinintay ko talaga yung earnings ko. Pero hindi siya dumating nung buong araw. So, natanggap ko siya yung email kasi ni AdSense, natanggap ko siya or nabasa ko siya 22 na ng morning. Okay. So, ang nakalagay dito, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys. So, November 22 ko na po siya natanggap. Okay. November 22. And then, ito yung email sa akin ng Google AdSense. So, check your recent payment. Eh, nakalagay dito, who sent a payment for your AdSense for YouTube earnings on November 21. So hindi ko siya na check. Okay, so November 21st pa talaga siya na-release or na-send ni Google AdSense. Pero yung email nila sa akin is na-pop up sa akin is dumating sa aking email as November 22. So if you haven't received your payment via bank transfer after 15 business days from the date of this email, please contact your bank for more details. So dito sa 15 business days is nag-wonder ako bakit ang tagal. So ayun, gumawa ako ng research. So ayun, nasagot yung mga tanong ko, guys. So it's my first salary here NYT. So medyo hindi ko pa talaga alam kung ano yung mga pasikot-sikot about sa earnings, about sa payment. So ayun nga, nag-wonder ako bakit 15 days. So that's why gumawa ako ng research and then yun nasagot po yung mga tanong ko. Okay? Nakalagay din dito to check your recent payments. So you need to sign in to your AdSense account and then on the sidebar select payments and then select your YouTube payment account. Okay? So dito, guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung result ng aking pagre-research. So, ayan dito. Ayan, guys. So, ang research ko kasi dito kay Google is how many days AdSense payment for YouTube earnings will arrive in bank transfer. So, ang sagot po kasi ni Google is AdSense YouTube payments typically arrive in your bank account within a few business days after being issued between the 21st and 26th of the month. So, ayun nga, kasi yung payment method na nilagay ko sa aking Google AdSense for my YouTube earnings is via bank transfer. So, anyway, I have electronics kasi naman, for example, yung GCash, Paymaya, PayPal, pero yung aking talagang nilagay is wire transfer via bank. So, hindi ko kasi alam na 15 days yung arrival ng payment pag via bank yung ang gagamitin natin kasi naka-wire transfer po yan. Okay? So, however, the total time can vary. So, electronic funds transfer, so meaning to say po, yung electronic funds transfer or EFT is yun yung GCash, yung InstaPay, PayPal, Paymaya, yung ganon. But, ang advantage po niya pag electronic funds transfer or EFT yung nilagay mo sa payment mo sa kay Google AdSense para sa YouTube earnings mo is it can take up only for 7 days lang. While wire transfer, so wire transfer nga is yung nilagay ko sa aking payment method na via bank. So, it may take up to 15 business days. So, if payment hasn't been received after this time frame, so you need to contact the bank. Okay? Sana hindi tayo umabot sa ganong sitwasyon. And then, ito yung mga payment timelines niya. So, ayun nga, pag naka-issued to bank siya, so between the 21st and 26th of the month, so if the 21st is a weekend or holiday, the payment is issued the next business day. So, ayun nga. Pag yung 21 po ng month is, weekend siya. So, hindi talaga masisense kasi walang office noon. So, the next day mo na po siya ma-receive. So, weekdays lang po yung office nila and then weekend wala. So, ito yung nakalagay dito. And then, sa electronic funds transfer naman or EFT, it can take up to 4 to 7 business days after the payment is issued. So, For example, 21st ng month mo, natanggap yung email ni Google AdSense, so matatanggap mo na po siya is after 4 to 7 days. Okay? And then, dito naman sa wire transfer, so up to 15 business days after the payment is issued. So, ito yung sa akin. Ito yung issue sa akin. Kasi naka-wire transfer kasi nilagay ko sa akin payment method is via bank. So, ayun, maghihintay ako ng up to 15 business days after the payment is issued. Okay, so, check 2 to 4 weeks after being mailed. 2 to 4 weeks after being so, ayun nga. So, nakalagay dito important consideration. So, payment threshold. Your finalized earnings must meet the payment threshold. For example, $1,000. Kasi pag hindi pa siya umabot ng $100. So, kasi pag hindi pa siya umabot ng $100, hindi talaga siya i-issue. Di mo talaga matatanggap yung payment mo. Ayun. So, by the end of the month, to be paid out the following month. Okay? Dapat consistent ka talaga. So, paano ba madaling makuha yung $100? Okay? So, dapat consistent ka sa iyong popost ng mga video. Okay? Dapat everyday gagawa ka talaga ng content para ma-post mo sa iyong YT, and then para madali lang kumita. Para makikitain mo na talaga yung $100. Okay, and then bank processing. So, some delays can occur due to your specific bank's processing times. Sa akin is video yung ginamit ko. So, it's my first time to have my salary in YT, and also it's my first time to have the wire transfer via bank. So, ayun nga, hintayin ko na lang siya. And then, of course, the taxes and deductions. So, the final payment amount can be affected by invalid traffic, content ID claims, and taxes. So, the estimated earnings in YouTube Analytics are not the final amount. So, for example, yung nakalagay doon sa analytics is $110. So, don't expect the amount will arrive in your bank, because the taxes will deduct. Okay, may mga deduction po siya yung mga taxes. So maybe yung $110 mo is yung matatanggap mo is mga 105. So guys, malaki talaga yung taxes ng kasi international po, wire transfer po kasi ang gagamitin, or yung mga EFT. So, payment status. You can check your payment status in your AdSense for YouTube account. Yun nga sinasabi ko guys, na ilalagay ko sa ilalagay ko sa description yung link ng Google AdSense. Kasi hindi kasi pwedeng YouTuber ka tapos wala kang Google AdSense. So, kailangan mo talagang gumawa, or kailangan mo talagang mag-sign in sa iyong Google AdSense para makita mo yung earnings mo doon. Okay, doon po kasi magre-reflect sa Google AdSense yung payment nila. Okay, guys. So, I hope na nakatulong po ang video na ito sa mga katanungan nyo kung paano or kailan ba natin matatanggap yung ating mga earnings dito kay Google AdSense from YouTube earnings. Okay. So, once again guys, this is me, Janelle's Vlog. So, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na kayo, and then huwag kalimutan i-click ang bell button para maging updated kayo sa mga pinupost ko na mga reviews and about tutorials every day. Okay? Bye-bye and God bless everyone.